Do fit issues keep you from loving the garments that you sew sometimes? Drag lines, folds, gaping. They might feel like a total mystery to most of us, but they don't have to be. Today, I'm sharing 2 incredible tools to help you tackle these issues head on: an Interpreting Wrinkles guide and an easy guide to understanding ease. This video is part of our Ultimate Sewing Toolkit series. Each day this week, we are spotlighting a new free resource that we're giving you to sew with more confidence and more success. Yesterday, we focused on organizing our pattern library, and today, it's all about solving fit issues, namely interpreting wrinkles and understanding ease. And they're 2 of the most common challenges that sewists face when it comes to fit. First, let's start with a couple of patterns that I want to recommend during the sale this week. The Crescendo jeans are my number 1. Fit is everything when it comes to jeans, and this pattern is no exception. And today's handy quick guide to interpreting wrinkles is a perfect pair with crescendos. The quick guide to interpreting wrinkles is a perfect pair with crescendos because it can help you figure out exactly what's going on and how to fix it, and when to use several of the different versions that this pattern offers. For example, some of the built-in adjustments that it has, the rise options, the inseam options. So if you're looking for a really useful pattern to start with as you snap up today's toolkit, I highly recommend adding the Crescendo jeans to your account. They are actually my personal favorite make of 2024, and I wear them all the time. And I feel like I got a good fit on them too. Next, I want to recommend the Chorus top and dress. This is a flowy pattern, but it does have some shaping moments which you're going to want to understand how ease is felt in a garment and understand that in conjunction with this pattern. So the Chorus is a great pattern to pick up during this week's sale. It is so pretty, and the fun fact about this pattern is that the Love Notions community actually helped design this pattern from start to finish. So it really is exactly what sewists have been craving. So make sure that you get it this week on our 30% off sale. There are lots of other patterns that would help demonstrate the concept of ease as well. Maybe a fitted woven like Cadence sheath dress, or a knit fitted piece like Tessa sheath dress. Both of these are patterns that are going to help you practice getting a great fit and applying the understanding that you need to have about ease. With any pattern, it could be hard to get the right balance between comfort and fit. So you're going to want your garment to drape beautifully and to feel great and to wear it. And that's why we decided to add in the ease guide to your toolkit today about fitting. Less stress equals more sewing success, right? So having this information is going to help you make things that are successful. Here's how the Interpreting Wrinkles guide works. Let's say that you're fitting your Crescendo jeans and you notice some horizontal drag lines. This guide is going to help you interpret what those horizontal lines mean. So then you can adjust your pattern piece to add more room and to fix the issue before you sew your final garment. So this chart just gives you a starting place to understand where the issue might be. But also keep in mind that this is a really simplified chart. It's just like a little handy reference page. And because every body is different, you're definitely going to want to take some time to experiment, make some muslins, ask the sewing community on our free private Love Notions pattern support group on Facebook. But it's just nice to have like a place to start and to keep handy as you're working to perfect the fit of your garments. So that's the first half of today's tool, Interpreting Wrinkles. That's the first half of this chart. And the second half of this chart is about understanding ease. The guide is going to break down the difference between wearing ease and design ease so that you can make informed decisions about your fabric and your fit. For example, the Chorus top, it has a lot of design ease, and that's creating its signature flowy look. But if you wanted to have a slightly more fitted version, it's possible that you could reduce the ease in certain places depending on your body measurements, but then also keep enough wearing ease to be comfortable. So you can use the chart to help you make those decisions. These resources are guides. They're tools to help you take control of your sewing projects. So whether you're making jeans, tops, dresses, understanding fit and ease will make your garments more wearable and enjoyable. And like I said, less sewing stress equals more sewing success, right? So use these to help you. So are you ready to troubleshoot those wrinkles that you sometimes get? And are you ready to master ease for comfort and fit? Download the Interpreting Wrinkles and Understanding Ease guides that are free with any purchase during our New Year sale using the code NEWYEAR30 at checkout. These resources are part of our Ultimate Sewing Toolkit. This is day 3. We've already had 2 pages before this, and they're only going to be available for this week during the sale. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's video where we're going to share another resource that's going to make your projects a little easier. And that was no pun intended. Thank you so much for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and tell me, please, what is the most common fit issue that you face? And how do you plan to tackle it this year? What do you need to make some more sewing success? Let's make 2025 the year of confident, well-fitted sewing.